The smartest, simplest, easiest way to earn $1,000 a month right now with ChatGPT and TikTok is by utilizing an entirely copy and paste strategy that we have just launched today and finally figured out, and I want to show it to you. And on this page, you can see there's a video that is kind of a walkthrough video that shows you everything that's going on and then some more information. And then, of course, you can get in as well. So what is this? Well, the Viral Video Vault is an entire system. And of course, you can go here and watch this video, which I would encourage you to do as well once you go to this website and then enter your email address. But what it is it's a 3-step system. So let's talk about what it is. We are going to give you a bunch of videos in the system that you can download. So every month you get videos. Let me show you. So this is the back-end system, and this literally came out today. So we are still building out the videos. Of course, you can't use an entire month's worth at once. So we're going to build this out over the month, and then it gets new each month, right? So this is February of 2023 when I'm making this. And so February 2023, we can download videos that we produce for you. So we do all the video creation. You don't even have to create the videos for you. We're going to do it for you. And you literally download the videos. And then you utilize this checklist here. The checklist is going to give you a process that's very short where you download the video and then you re-upload the video to TikTok. And you're going to get the video set up on TikTok. And then if you want to, then of course, grow further, then you're going to get the video set up on like YouTube, shorts and that sort of stuff. So the checklist walks you through that. You literally download the video, upload it, follow a super simple process, and then we're going to get an affiliate link, which is how we're ultimately going to get paid. But we're going to upload this, follow the process, and get views on the video. Now, the great thing about this is you can promote this viral video system itself, and it's a super slick offer because it teaches people how to get views on the videos really fast, and it gives them that without them having to do a ton of work, and it's only $27 a month. So when someone signs up for this, you get paid every single month, right? So what does that mean? When someone goes here and they sign up, they pay $27 a month. So you can promote this offer. They pay $27 a month, and we'll give you all the videos to promote this offer as well. And then each month you get your percentage, which is 50% of the $27. So if someone signs up today and they're a customer for 6 months, you get paid every month for 6 months. If they're a customer for 6 years, then you get paid every month for 6 years. And then of course, every month here in the back end, we're going to give you, so there's February, then there'll be March, then there'll be April. We're going to give you new videos around the latest thing that is trending that you can use to promote this. Right? So you can use the videos to promote it, and you can use the videos to get traffic, views, basically, and then ultimately those people can click on your links and you can get paid. So once we do that, the way to start is to go over here and go to this website right here. And you'll be able to go here and enter your email address. And once you get to the website, then at the very top here there's another video here. And it might get pushed a little bit down the page, or the content might change because this is super new. But this is the page. It's still the same website. You go here, enter your email address, and then watch the next video. And just get started by downloading videos and uploading them. And away you go. So again, go to this website, watch this next video, and get in now while the pre-sale and the lower price is going on, and then happy money making.